Hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen in the Bronx. My name is Andrew Tran Chung. I am joined tonight by some of my fellow students. We have Sean, Sun, and we have Dang behind the camera over there. We're not actually filming an actual recipe video today. This is Late Night Bites, but we're gonna call the show Inventory. It's an inside joke, but that's the name of our show.
You also don't have to worry about why it's an inside joke, which is also another inside joke.
Tonight, I'm having some sugar-free Jell-O because one of the priests in our community made an amazing pot roast that was really good. I'm only hungry now because it's 8 o'clock and we went on a run this afternoon of how long was the run? Like 4 miles, I want to say. And I think we did a wonderful job.
We really tired ourselves out.
We did. We had this whole thing about what we were going to make tonight. Obviously not happening. But tonight we have some cheese that we're shaving off with a vegetable peeler right here. And usually we eat this with some ham. The ham is in the freezer now. And we also have some Chick-fil-A sauce that we'll eat with it. But that is also no longer here. And
Son, want some?
do you want some cheese?
Yeah.
Come get cheese.
Dang, get some cheese. Yes. Have a slice. I insist. So there's a strategy to cutting this cheese here. You have to cut this cheese and be firm in cutting it. Be confident.
Guys, if you had an angle right now, you would see Shauna is basically shredding the cheese. It is shreds, literal shreds of cheese.
And to be firm and confident in your cut.
Should I get some ASMR for this?
This is like so bad. This is so bad.
Usually we'll get a little more complicated. We'll have some ramen because that's what all college students have for snacks.
We're doing.
We have
We're gonna show you
ramen
it,
and
so.
cheese. We'll show you the ramen that we usually eat. It's this Korean brand that I really like.
Does this Korean brand, does this make the shrimp chip things that look like french fries?
Maybe. No, I don't think so.
I think it does.
Is it Nongshim?
I think it is.
It is. So this is Nongshim Shin Ramen. Just, the basic one. Try and ration these. We get these on sale. And it's the best ramen. This is a whole meal. Allegedly, it's for 2 people, but not for me. This is my meal. And I might have a second one too. So I'm eating for 4.
So what you do is you take the crushed red peppers. You take a little bit of ground cayenne peppers. And you put a little bit of, not Old Bay, because I'm giving that up for Lent. But not this either. Well, this too, you could use this. You can use either Slap Ya Mamas or Tony's Creole seasoning. Both are very good. So you put a ton of this in, and to your discretion. And what I did was I put way too much in, and I fed this to one of my esteemed clients.
Did you actually make this?
I did.
When did you make this?
I made this probably 2 Fridays ago.
Thanks for joining us. We will see you again when we film an actual video of us actually cooking. But I just wanted to film a realistic one of us coming down to the kitchen and eating some random assortment of things. As you can see, Sean is going to town on this cheese. But it's great.
Can you see me?
This is, yeah, we can see you.
That's good. I can.
But you know what we can't, if we can't see you, we can still do? We can hear you munching over there with your mic.
I'm sorry. I probably destroyed this footage.
He is going to town on this cheese. As Sun likes to call it, this is episode half of a half?
This is episode
we had
1 and a
episode
half.
1 where we made Sun's signature apple cake. And this episode we'll call episode 1 and a half of a half because it wasn't really anything. We didn't really make anything. Any comments you want to add?
and wait for the next one. Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. Sun's signature Kahlua chocolate cake.
Kuru.
So stay tuned for the next episode. We'll see you next time.
See ya. Okay, we
Are we actually gonna eat the food now? Because I felt like we were eating very politely for that.